In this demonstration, we will cover adding payees. On the main page of Bill Pay, if you've already added payees, you will see a list of your existing payees with an option to add additional payees at the top. If you're new to Bill Pay, you'll be prompted to begin adding payees. Setting up a payee is a seamless screen flow. Screens are presented depending on whether or not the payee being added has a relationship with the Bill Pay vendor and/or if you entered the payee information in the correct format. You can pay businesses and individuals through Bill Pay as long as they have a U.S. address. There are three possible scenarios when adding a payee that we will cover in this demo. Scenario 1 is the business is found in the payee database. You must enter your account number with the payee and sometimes the billing zip code depending on the payee. Scenario 2 is the business name is found in the payee database, but the account number and/or zip code entered do not match what is in the database. In this case, you must provide the payee's address, city, state, and phone number, and the payee is paid by check, but the payment method may be converted to electronic in the future. The third scenario is when the business or person is not found in the database. Let's take a look at adding a payee that is found in the database. You have a new cable provider, Comcast. Click in the Pay Someone New box and begin typing the payee name. Matching payees will appear in the list. Click on the correct payee and then click Add. This screen will vary depending on the information required by the payee. Enter your account number with the payee and then confirm it in the next box. By default, the payee nickname is the payee name, but you can change it. This payee requires you to include the zip code for payments, but some payees do not require this information. Then click Add Payee. If your payee is added, you have added a payee from Scenario 1 and the payments will be sent electronically. If the information that you have entered does not match the database, you will then be prompted to enter the mailing address for payments. This is Scenario 2 and the payments will be sent by check, but it can be converted to electronic at any time. Once you click Add Payee, the payee is added to your payee list. The new payee is put at the top of the list, but then is resorted the next time you visit the page. Now let's look at Scenario 3. Scenario 3 is when the business or person is not found in the database, and the payments will be sent via check. Let's say you would like to make a payment to your dentist. When you type the payee name in the box, there are no matches in the database, so you will click Add. The account number is optional, so you can skip it, but you must enter an address for this payee. Addresses are validated with the U.S. Postal Service. The phone number is required. When done, click Add Payee, and the payee is added. This concludes our demo on adding payees.